Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I have got a project here that we're working on, and I want to make sure you're doing it correctly. So let's get cracking. All right, friends, so this is a fun project. You're having a celebration, you and 3 of your friends. You need to fill in their names. You need to fill in the fake items that you're buying, and you need to find the prices of your favorite restaurant. When you've got your numbers, you need to actually add up the math to put in the correct number for the subtotal. My subtotal would be $6.07. That needs to add up to be the actual number of these items that you've got. The tip is 20% of your entire order. The way I always solve it is if I do 10% of $6, that's 60 cents. So 10% and 10% would be 20%, 60 cents and 60 cents would be $1.20. So I would just do $1.25 for my tip to make sure that I'm giving the full 20%. And then the total bill is those two added together. So for mine, it's $7.32. You need to fill that for the pretend items that your friends order down below, and you need to fill in the rest with all the fun items that they choose to get and get the total bill and tip for each person. Then part 2 is to answer the questions down below. When you add up all of the meals above, what is the total cost plus the tip? Once you've got the total bill with tips for everybody all added up, then you've got to create the expression using a fraction. Well, friends, that's pretty easy. What you do is you take 1/4 and you multiply that 1/4 times your total bill. And then, of course, you got to show the long division. The best way I can think of for you to show the long division is to do it on paper and then actually take a picture of that and put it in the bottom of this Google Doc before you turn it in. I do have one other way that you could do your long division. If you come down below this and press enter twice, you can insert a drawing and choose new. You can bring in a text box for all your numbers. Your smart choice is to go down to like scribble, I think, because it's faster. So there's my division line, and then I would put in my number out here. You can see I scribbled the number 4, and I would accept that as well. And then you would just do your long division, and when you save and close, you can see it took a moment to show up, but there is my project. So now I can put it in the right place. If you leave wrap text on, it moves around your text. I think inline is probably better for this type of problem, and then you can finally solve the piece down at the bottom. Lastly, don't forget the last step where you have to determine who got the better deal, because you all had different meals and somebody is going to get more of a meal while having paid less because of the average. Friends, of course, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you had a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.